Okay, I guess I'll sit up straight and do a little stretching and break dancing. And boy, that just means I'm ready to talk to you fine folks for a couple minutes. All right. Ugh. I don't have a bra on, so I'm feeling kind of free. Guys, are you growing man boobs? When you lean forward to put your socks and shoes on, do you look down and think you're looking at Dolly Parton? Um, I have that same problem. So I'm going to sit up straight like this and try to be macho. All right, deal? Okay. Live good. Feeling good. Why not? You want to live good. You want to feel good. Why not earn some money too? There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Live Good just turned 2 years old yesterday. Two. December 13th. All right. Happy birthday. Over those 2 years, what has been done? What's the results? What's the stats? What's the numbers and the figures? Well, we're going on about 1.7 million members and affiliates worldwide. We average about 2,500 people per day, sometimes 3,000 on Fridays. But nonetheless, 60,000 per month are joining every single month like clockwork, guys, for 24 months now. Okay. We're in well over 200 countries at this point. Awesome. It's good to be worldwide. All right. Nationwide, worldwide. We're by your side. All right. That almost sounds kind of like, is that Mako or I think it's an insurance company slogan here in America. But yeah, we're by your side. I know I'll be. If you want to sign up with Live Good, let's make it simple. Okay. What I do is so frickin' simple and affordable. Okay. And very duplicatable. You don't have to overanalyze this thing. All right. Called recruiting or signing people up or systems, techniques. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can really get tripped up on. But at the end of the day, this is how I get people to sign up. And if you haven't signed up, I hope you do. But this is how I try to sign up you if you're watching. I promote my link, joincory.com. I show this picture on my screen just because it's a business card that I made at Vistaprint. Okay. I think it's important to get business cards. The reason why is because if you try to over-explain this, people are going to zone out and think they're going to have to over-explain. This is not 1980, 1990, even 2015. With the internet and the way that people are addicted to their phones and video, guys, trying to talk about an opportunity, it's just not going to work. People zone out. And you might even zone out during this video, but you know what? This is a video. I've invited you to hopefully watch this, where I can do my best in 5-10 minutes to convey that, hey, if you want to go to joincory.com and watch a short video, which I'll show you just an example here, I think you'll like what you see. And if you don't, you can delete and go on your way. If I email you, if you're into what Live Good has to offer, great. If not, delete the email. But see how nice it is? If people don't want to do this, you just go on your way and it's not embarrassing. I'm not going to call you guys. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to make you feel uncomfortable sitting there going, hey, do you want to join? And then you have to say, well, my dog and my wife has to do this and my husband has to do that. And guys, if people don't want to do this business, it's so nice if they don't have to do it and they can decide not to do it just in private and go on their way and not be embarrassed. So joincory.com. Guys, I just went and bought this domain at GoDaddy. I got these business cards, $25 plus $5 shipping. I got more cards than I can possibly use in a year or two. Okay. I always invite people just to go to Live Good and check out the website. Go to the products. Okay. livegood.com. Check it out. Hit any of these rectangle buttons and they'll tell you about the ingredients, who, what, when, and where. My favorite by far is Super Reds. Okay. Check out your screen. And all it does is tell you the price wholesale and retail, how many you want to buy if you want. Here, these little thumbnails show you exactly what the container looks like if it's in your hand. There's even a professionally done beautiful video, 2 of them here, by the company. So if you want to share these on your social media wall, awesome. Descriptions, all the seals of approval, how to use. You can see how cheap we are because, guys, we are a membership-based company. We don't sell retail. No one's going to beat our prices because we build the products for people to resell. $18. Ours is organic and bigger than Organifi and Super Beats. And look at how expensive they are. Okay. That's all you got to do on the products page. I always invite people to the FAQ. And I hope that you go to this little section here because All these questions, they're just answered. You don't have to bug me or the company. And you can always get a hold of me if you want, or go to support@livegood.com. But guys, why don't you just sit back and look at these questions? And then at the bottom, you guys want to know, how do you get paid, Cory? If you don't have to buy products, how do we get paid? Well, we get paid on the membership side. Okay, the products are always going to be rock bottom, and you don't have to buy any products, ever. Just be an affiliate, $40 one time, two $20 bills. Guys, that's all you're ever going to spend. Okay? And then you got to be a member at $9.95 a month. Okay, look at that. Just read. Boring, right? What I recommend is go to the pay plan button. See, it says pay plan or affiliate pay plan at the bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen. Just click that tab and go to the bottom where it's a YouTube video. I wish this video was at the top, because everyone every day, what's the comp plan? What's the match and bonus this with retail? And I'm like, you guys, you're making it way too confusing. Just go to the pay plan link. Watch the YouTube video. It's awesome. You guys will be highly impressed. I think you're going to dig it. Okay, it got my old rock and roll butt to join. So there it is, guys. That's how I recruit. I've signed up almost 400 people. There's a leaderboard, if you want to see what country's doing well, who's kicking butt and taking names out of 1.7 million people. Well, I think number 27, Live Good. Look, I'm going on 400 people. Give me about a week, I'll have about 400. And my goal is to be 500, because if I can get 500, look, I'm almost in the top 10 out of 1.7 million people. And you can see, look, Vietnam, Canada, Brazil, Italy, Philippines, Australia. Look at all those flags. Japan, of course. China is just always going to be, they're so big. China just kicks butt. But look at all these flags. I don't even know what they are. I have to look them up. Like a green flag with a red dot. I have to look it up. I don't know what it is. All right. Green flag, 2 green stripes, white one in the middle. It's kind of fun. I just have to go look it up on Google. All right. I know the UK. I know Australia. But look at all these flags. That means people kicking butt worldwide. All right. So we're in 200 and something countries, guys. So happy birthday to Live Good. We turned 2 yesterday, December 13th. Okay. $15 million of products going out each month. Guys, this is a really great, exciting opportunity. In my opinion, I think if you sign up and I give you just my email of exactly what I do, it's affordable. I think it's fun, to be honest. I actually like doing video and meeting people. And if you do, awesome. But let's get some money in your pocket. Okay? I can't guarantee I have to watch the disclaimer on income, promises, hopes, dreams, wish, cross your fingers, cross your legs. All right? Just post. Let's post. Have some fun on social media. Let's email some folks. All right? Let's spread the word about Live Good. That's all you got to do. Live Good takes care of itself. Invite people to watch a video. Guys, done. Done. Let the videos do all the recruiting and the training and all the blah, blah, blah. You just good at inviting people. That's all you got to be good at. Okay? All right. Get a hold of me if you need something, guys. Cory@CoryDraper.com is my email. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And look, I'm going to go like this with both my little fingers. One's going to go on my nose. The other one's going to go like this. That means have a good day. Hold on a minute. Okay. That's probably the grossest ending of a video I've ever done. Thank you very little. joincory.com. Bye.